How to connect Army Bomb to Weverse. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application Weverse. Make sure that you are using the updated version. Enter a login credential and log into a specific account. In here, you have to make sure that you have already joined the community of BTS. Once you have joined the community, click on it. And then head over to Media right beside Fan Later. Once you're in this page, click on this three-dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will be able to see tons of different options. Click on Sync Lightstick. It will open up the App Store for you. You need to install this application on your device. Once installed, enter your login credential of Weverse account, and then Army Bomb will be connected to Weverse. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.